Hello friends, my name is Hassan Lafid. I am an anatomy and physiology instructor at Madison College in Wisconsin. I wanted to share with you some knowledge tonight. I wanted to invite you with me in a little journey to explore the muscles in our body. Did you know that we have over 700 pieces of muscles in our body? These 700 muscles form a big part of our body mass. Muscles help us to move. Muscle helps us to move our body in a space, and they help us to move our body from spot to spot. Muscles shape our body, and muscles also tells about our feeling. Muscles of our face, like the muscles in this guy, they can tell if we're happy, if we're surprised, if we're expressing any form of any feeling that can show up in our face. And this is called muscles of facial expression. So muscles are important in our life. We have identified a lot of muscles that we divided into parts in our body. We have muscles of the face, as I told you here, look at this model. We have muscles of the chest. This is what we call thoracic muscles, or muscles of the thorax, and the thorax means the chest in Latin or Greek. Also, we have muscles of the abdomen, our abs. See, got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces here, and we have muscles on the side of our abdomen. We also have muscles in the back, right? And we have muscles of the neck, and no doubt we have muscles of the arms and the forearms and muscles of our hand. For example, this is known as the deltoid muscle, see it? And these are the biceps and the triceps, different names. Also, we have strong, powerful muscles of our thigh. This is what we call the recti root. So we call it rectus muscles. While in the back, we have also strong muscles, we call them the hamstring muscles and the thigh. And if you look at your calf muscles here, this is known as the gastrocnemius, and these are two heads. See them? Also, we have muscles of our leg. This is what we call tibialis muscles. So we have different types of muscles in our body. And guess what? We have another 2 types of muscle in our body. We have muscles in the heart. This is a special type of muscle, and we called it the cardiac muscles. These muscles help our heart to pump blood day and night and every minute to push the blood around in our body. Also, we have another type of muscles that we call smooth muscles, and these smooth muscles are really tiny and they're very delicate, and they help our body and our organs to work. We find them in the intestine, and we find them in our bladder, and we find them in our eyes. All these are good muscles that helps our body to function. So the muscular system is the system that is responsible and contains all muscles in our body. How do we take care of our muscles? We do take care of our muscles by good nutrition, exercise, very important, and rest, and making good choices. Muscles are important also to produce heat. If you notice in the winter time, when you move, or when you're running, or when you're exercising, you are unlikely or less likely to get cold. While if you stay in one place, you might get colder. So muscle move, and when they move, they contract. And when muscle contract, they generate heat. So muscles help to keep us warm. All these are facts and important things that we learn about muscles. That's all I wanted to tell you tonight about muscles. Until I see you next time, I wish you luck. Thank you.